Do you want to save thousands of dollars on facilitation costs whilst enrolling your managers to step up? Then we create custom training videos to do just this. Hey guys, Jason Knight here, and welcome to Move by Design. We believe design is more than pretty pictures. It should create an emotional response for your customer, a spark that resonates deep within them. You've spent thousands of dollars on expert content and presented it on a boring Word document or death by PowerPoint? Come on! We craft training content into an engaging experience for your audience. If you're in the L&D space and are struggling to engage your business in training, then we can help. Did you know that online video accounts for 74% of all traffic? Infographics are 3 times more likely to be shared on social media than any other type of content. That 85% of Facebook videos watched without sound. Including video on a landing page increases conversion by 80%. We design custom training material to connect to your audience in bite-sized pieces that can be pre-released to enroll them into the training, and links back to the broader style guide and vision and values of your brand. From custom models, frameworks, manuals, pocket toolkits, videos, PowerPoint posters, all of them on brand, on message, on time.